Hi, my name is Robbie Goldberg. I'm a sales manager for the Asia Pacific region at Asana, a leading work management platform. In my role, I primarily use GoLinks in live settings such as presentations or team meetings. It's great to get a live pulse check of the team through a survey in the middle of a meeting or at the end of a meeting to get some feedback. It's a lot easier to send a short GoLink than a long URL. So GoLinks makes finding information a lot faster, even for folks who don't have very well organized bookmarks. Now, my surname is Goldberg. It starts with G-O. So actually at Asana, if you enter my surname with a slash after the Go, it takes you to my LinkedIn profile. I kind of feel like I was born to be a fan of GoLinks, but beyond the fun you can have, I would recommend GoLinks to anyone who can't remember a 48-character URL and needs fast access to content and information across a number of different apps.